This is the exhibition on the life of Swami Vivekanand at the basement of the temple of Sri Ramakrishna Mission, New Delhi. It's just near to the metro station Ramakrishna Mission. So it is very convenient for the children's family students to come individually or together. So here you will get a glimpses of Swami Vivekanand's life struggle, whatever he has done and how he reached such height. This is the motto of the Swamiji. We are the servant of that God who by ignorant is called man. So it's a beautiful gallery. Anyone can come, and she is Swamiji's mother. The exhibition is on the life of Swamiji, his ancestral abode. This is Swami Ramakrishna is talking to Narendra and few of his disciples. In the pictures, things are depicted how interaction of Narendranath, the earlier name of Swami Vivekanand, how he used to interact with his guru Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa on various occasions on the Panchavati, where Sri Ramakrishna used to go into meditative state. This is the beautiful here the ardent prayer which Narendranath has done at the Kali temple of Dakshineshwar. It is in a very beautiful format. You can see it. You will feel that as if you are also standing with Narendranath. The wandering monk, here you will see where Swamiji has been to the different places. Almora, Red Fort, Taj Mahal, Somnath Temple, Kanyakumari, Belgaum. This is the beautiful depiction of Kanyakumari, the rock temple. This you can, with the help of the hand, you can change the image just by waving your hands. You can see the pictures. This is very modern technology which are installed over here, and mission has invested lots of money into it, and this is the work and the secret title. Then this is the section Harmony of Religion. Here you can see how Swamiji is saying not only tolerance for all so-called toleration is often blasphemy, and I do not believe in it. I believe in acceptance. So anyone who are researcher who want to know deep about the philosophy of religion, they can come to this place and enjoy the intensity with which mission has organized this exhibition, and it is available to all the public. This is the letter written by Jamsetji Tata to Swami Vivekanand. He met Swami Vivekanand on a ship while they both were traveling. So there are the beautiful letters which are Mr. Tata's scheme. It is depicting, you can know how Swamiji has influenced the thought process of Mr. Tata. This is depicting Swamiji's and small meeting in which Swamiji influenced Tata's a lot. This is a beautiful statue of the Swamiji, and this is the 3D movie hall. This is another picture of Swamiji. And this beautiful auditorium is with the capacity of 20 and 24. Here a 3D picture is displayed on the Chicago speech of Swamiji. It's a very beautiful for all the children and the family members. They have come up with so many sections, the 4 yogas. This is the Jnana Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. This is Karma Yoga and Raja Yoga. You can see the thing like this. A roundup I am taking.